Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for a new account on BitMart. To sign up for BitMart, first of all, make sure you download the BitMart application on your specific mobile devices and launch it open. From the main homepage of BitMart, you will be able to see the sign up/sign in button at the top. Simply tap on it and then tap on the sign up button at the top right corner to start the sign up process. Inside Sign Up Now page, go ahead and select either email or phone number option and enter either your phone number or your email address with a strong password. I'm gonna go for email address. Simply type in a valid email address in the first tab and then create a strong password with the criteria displayed right underneath the password box. After you are done entering the credentials, tap on the I certify button at the bottom and click on Sign Up. For quicker signing up, you can also tap on the Google or the Apple logo at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Finally, after tapping on the Sign Up button, on the next page you will need to verify your email. Open up your email inbox and enter the verification code that you received. You'll receive a registration verification code. Simply copy the code and get back to the BitMart app and paste it inside the Enter Code tab. Finally, you will be able to create a new account. Now you can start depositing funds onto your wallet, and once all of these steps are completed, your account is ready. You can start depositing, trading, and exploring other features in BitMart. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.